What is up, YouTube? And I am back after a long ass break. I am back with another video. Today in this video, I'll be explaining why I was gone, why I decided to come back, and what I've been doing in this past couple months. An extra thing is what will come for this summer, like videos you guys should expect. So stay tuned. Okay, it has been a good while since I have made a YouTube video, and it is like, I don't know, it's kind of crazy coming back in front of the camera, and why I've been gone. First thing, so the main reason I've been gone was because of school. That's really like one of the only reasons I was gone, because of school. I just wanted to focus on school and editing videos and making videos. Just that really like wasn't important to me at the time. Like YouTube is just really something that like I have on the side, something I do for fun, something I could hopefully like get big off of, and like that really wasn't my priority over the school year. You know, I just kind of wanted to get my grades up, focus on like school sports and stuff, just make sure like I'm taking care of what needs to be taken care of. So that's mainly the big reason why I was gone. Secondly, why I decided to come back. Well, the main reason I decided to come back is because obviously it is summer now, so I have all the time in the world to do whatever I want. I have a lot of free time during my day when I'm not doing sports and or hanging out with people, you know. The main thing that got me was like over the weekend, I met up with an old friend, and then we were talking, and then he was like, "Bro, why don't you do YouTube no more?" And I was thinking about it. I was like, man, like, why don't I do YouTube anymore? And like, I was saying shit, like the main thing I just told you was school and shit. He's like, come on, man, you gotta get back on it. And I was like, I really should. And then like a month before that, I had made plans to come back, but like I said, school, like it was my main priority and it got in the way. So I decided like now would be the perfect time to come back, especially with it being summer and me not having much to do except like lay around. Just give me something to do, guys. So anyways, yeah, that's that. And what I have been doing, again, school, sports, and nothing. And the last thing, I know this is gonna be a really short video, guys, but I'm gonna be pumping out probably 2 more videos today. But the last thing, what you guys should expect. You guys should expect some tutorials, you know, like basic YouTube shit, just to get them views up, you know. And, like, maybe shoe reviews. I don't really buy Jordans like that no more, because I don't really like them. Like, it's just something I kind of grew out of, you know. But, yeah. And you should also expect, like, collab videos, like vlogs, me hanging out with people, probably freaking going to the movies and shit, you know, some fun shit over the summer, you know, just like being kids. And yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope this kind of explained why I was gone, what I've been doing, why I decided to come back, and what is to come. And like the video, subscribe to the channel at DaBoyJordan, DABOII_Jordan. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice day. I will be pumping out more videos for you guys this week. Hopefully we get a vlog out. That would be dope. Definitely a tutorial coming soon, and expect a new video at least by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Anyways, I'm out.